cables, and I wanted to get some black ones because all I ever seem to find were white ones from the Apple Store and stuff. So it's like, hey, let me try these. So it looks like it comes in a pack of 3. 1, 2, 3, and they are 6 feet long, and they connect up through USB C. So we're going to give these things a try and try it on the phone here. You won't be able to see it going because I am currently using the phone to make this video, but I'm going to try it out anyways. And here's a train going by. That fixed it in a little nugget good. It's a nice wire. It's really thick and braided. You can kind of see how braided that is, and it comes with a little Velcro strap to tie it all up. And then when I plug it in, it charges. So, I mean, there we go. Oh, sorry, it's taking the thing, but it works. So that's it. Comes with a little lightning connector. I can charge it to charge my headphones or my phone, and it seems to work good. I don't know how fast it's really charged. I mean, I guess it's going to charge fast. It says it does. So it's USB C to Lightning, and thumbs up from me. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.